Hey everyone, Jacob Steigerwald from Cutting Edge Automotive Solutions. We got a brand new product that we're very excited about. If you've ever struggled to drop a subframe or an EV battery or a gas tank, I know I did. I used to use transmission jacks, but if you want to bring your shop into the 21st century, you need to get yourself one of these. This is a 2,200 pound lifting table. And it comes with everything you see here, all these lifting adapters. So you get a pin type. So you see these pins just go right into the factory subframe holes. So you got that, it's nice and positively affixed. It's not going to come off of there. And you also get these standard screw up rubber pad style lifting adapters. This whole table is a double scissor design. And every one of these pivot points all have Zerk fittings. So they were thinking about longevity and serviceability when they designed it. So you shoot some grease in there every few months. You don't have to worry about any of those pins wearing out on you. And if we move on down to the corners on the floor, we have locking casters on all four corners. So you will have absolute mobility in positioning everything just the way you want it. Also up here on the top, you can see this table is split into two halves. Now on this side we have a locking pin. So if we just pull this pin out and rotate it up, we can now slide this in and out. And just below that, we have some tilt adjustment too. So if you need that, if you're working with something that's oddly shaped, you need a little bit of tilt in the table to get everything lined up, you have that available to you as well. This whole thing is powered by an air over hydraulic throttle pump. It's operated with your foot. And also what's really nice, you have this adjustable valve. This controls how quickly the table comes down when you go to let it down. We like to keep it nice and slow, but if you wanted to come down a little faster, hey, that option is available to you as well. If you're interested in one of these, you can find these on our website, CEAS-USA.com. I believe the part number is CEAS-MS10KIT. And the kit means it comes with all these adapters, everything you see here. All you'll have to do is maybe put your shop's air fitting on the throttle pump and she'll be ready to go. I know I wish I had one of these when I was a tech instead of trying to balance a 3/4 full gas tank on a single transmission jack. If you want to make your shop more productive, more efficient, and safer, you guys should really check these out.